What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Landaris. You already know. L&L Lawn Service, Kansas City, Missouri, Blue Springs area. Back at you. Anyway, guys, let me get this, trying to get this focus right. Sometime I'll be having this thing and it be blurry. So, but, yeah, you see it. You see it. Make sure I get this right. Quality service for a reasonable price. Anyway, guys, what I'm going to do today is it's about 8:30ish. I'm going to test out. I got new shocks on under here. See those yellow things? Got new shocks. And got new shocks in there. Anyway, trying to figure out if that was the problem with this thing. When I put my mowers on here, they rest on one of the springs, that bumper. So bumper up there. So they said them shocks were shot. I don't know if they're still in here. Yeah, they're still in here. I heard these babies were shot. They weren't holding up. So, put some more shocks on there and I'm going to check and see how this thing actually holds up when I put the mowers in there. So bear with me. I'll go over here, get my locks off real quick. Get my locks off real quick. Raw and uncut. Well, it looks like they still kind of rest on there. So I don't know. I might think about getting some I think they call spring tensioners to kind of make it so that it doesn't squat. Let me see. Still looks, I don't know. You guys tell me. I mean, it still looks, I got new shocks on there. So I don't know. Let me put the 36 on there and see what it does. Because I think next year I'm gonna roll with the 36. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Let me do the 36. See what's going on. So. So let's take a look at this one. Let's see. So that's fitting all the way at the top, but I'll probably be a little bit back because I'll have a push mower too in there. So whether I put the push mower in the front right here or the back, we'll see. Because if I'm doing yards, I just want to pull that out and get the cutting instead of pull out the 30-inch and then pull that out. So I might have the 30-inch somewhat up top, so I'm gonna see. Let's see what it looks like now. It's just sitting on there. Well, I mean, it's not resting on there, but it's almost there. So I'm not sure. Maybe the springs just need to be replaced, the leaf springs. You never know. So, or what they call a leaf tensioner, or whatever the case is, to tension them up so that it doesn't move. So we'll see. But I might roll with that this way for next season. I'm sure maybe if I put something on the end, maybe these trucks are, so this is a 2009, and maybe that's why the newer trucks sits a little higher, much better as far as the weight capacity and all that. So or maybe it just need new leaf springs. So I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? You know, I mean, it's not bad. Like I said, I got new battery, new brakes, about 4 new sensors, RBG valve sensor, which is the one that costs the most, RBG valve, 3 other little sensors. What else? Alternator, starter, and now my battery light is on. Brand new batteries, brand new alternator, brand new starter. The battery light is on, so I got to figure out what's going on with that since everything is new. You guys let me know. Maybe I just need to take the battery loose, reconnect it, and see what happens. I don't know. But alright, guys, that's my time. I don't know what I'm going to be rolling with next year. Most likely the 36. I'm going to roll with the 36, and so that there's not that much weight on it. It's not resting on there, so that's a good thing. And I'll probably look into getting something tensioned out on it. I'll figure it out so that I can bump that butt up some. Bump the butt up some so it's just stiff back there. So when I'm rolling, you know, it's not putting. So, alright, guys, that's my time. Like, subscribe, leave your comments, hit that bell button. Do whatever you gotta do. I gotta get some yards done. Do whatever you gotta do, but you better do it. Alright, peace.